isn't the right thing to do. How can I ever change things that I feel? If I could, maybe I'd give you my word. How can I?
Hi peeps, Leo from Carried. We are here with the lovely Pearl Junior Roadshow drum kit. We have an 8, a 10, a 12, a 13, 12-inch snare, and a 16-inch bass drum. And we think this is probably the best small or junior drum kit you can buy on the market. The reason we say that is the layout is a proper drum kit. I'll show you now, the snare drum has a proper throw, a proper snare on there. Some of the small entry level for junior peoples, the drum kits, what they do is they put a little bit of a snare wire under the top head on a screw and it just falls off. It's not really designed as a proper drum kit, whereas this is. You can see the tom holders here, they're like the Pearl ones. It's absolutely rock solid. And there's proper floor toms, proper tension mounts, and it really is a sweet little kit. And very, very important is the pedals, the hi-hat pedal there and the old bass drum pedal, they are cast iron. A lot of the little junior kits, they're made of steel, pressed steel. And what happens then when you play on them, they simply lean in and they buckle. So they're no good. So these last, really solid little thing. Now, this is not a brand new kit. You might see that, look, it looks a bit grubby, a bit dirty. It's at least 2 years. This has been with us at Carried and it has been hammered by loads. We have 40 or more students every week through the door. A lot of youngsters come in, and when they see this drum kit, they go mad, and they really do give it a pounding. But also, when we teach in the adults, this little black kit here has lived in our teaching room next to a proper big adult kit. And what happens then is when the adults are playing, if they stuck on something, myself or Gary Phillips, we will be, depends who's in the teaching room at the time, we'll jump on the baby kit and we will be playing it. And sometimes we're playing along with the tracks and everything to them.
Open up, everything's waiting for you. You can go your own way.
So this is literally had hours upon hours upon hours of many different people on the drum kit, all having fun, and it's been hammered, as we said. The original snare head is on there, but you can see just how dirty it's become. We're going to change them now. We've done this video, but I was using this for a long time, purposely for this video. And we also will show you that all these are original drum heads, and again, they have been hammered. Nothing's been retuned up or anything, just sweet as a nut as it is. So if you're going to buy yourself or your little ones a beautiful little drum kit, that's the baby. So the kit is featured with 10-inch hi-hats for your little ones there, and with a small crash sort of ride cymbal there. It's just the one. But you notice on the hi-hat stand as well, on the underside, it's got the little adjuster, exactly like an adult setup drum kit. All of it is featured, as I said, the same. So your young ones then are also learning what a drum kit actually looks like and how it's featured. This is an identical copy. And then we got the crash ridey cymbal there. It's a little thicker than most. If you get the very, again, bottom end sort of entry level junior kits, you can just bend these like a piece of paper. So it's more solid than that. But naturally, to keep the price down, they are the lower end cymbal range. They just little pressed bits of metal. But great fun, really good. And if you wanted to make some improvements, possibly you can change the drum heads to slightly better ones. You'd get a nicer sound out of the kit. And you could even think about upgrading the cymbals. Would I worry about that? No, I'd let your youngsters play on it, have great fun on it, and then develop into the next level where you're going into like your Pearl Roadshow properly, or Pearl Export and so on, as they develop if they want to play. Absolutely great fun. Comes complete with everything, and you can get it naturally at Carried. Black, silver, sparkle, that sort of a thing. So have a look at our website. Please subscribe, do the biz, you know, subscribe, jump on with Facebook and all the rest of it, and have a little look at our website, and you'll see lots of different things on there. So thanks for watching. Take care. Keep drumming. Yeah. So in tonight's episode, Gary Phillips is going to play his Plentonith 6-frame DHV jazz. Yeah, like nice.